I think we should all look at what do I do on a regular basis, and is there something out there which can help me?
Yeah.
Easier thought. So a few very basic things come to mind. The first thing is you have a lot of data. Data is files and cases and orders and previous for various clients. You need to have the data available with you all the time, without that green bag in which all the files are carried, right? Oh, sir, files are in the office. We will see on Monday, right? So the first thing you need to do is start baby steps. Forget about a big law firm. Many of the people on this webinar would be young lawyers. They don't own the law firms yet, and they will one day. But till then, what you can do? There are many apps like Tiny Scanner and Kagaz and other, which when you get, the fear is, how do I start digitizing everything? Because I've got 2 years, 20 years, 50 years data of the past. Start from today at least. Every time you see an order, you scan it with your phone. Tiny Scanner is available for iPhone, Kagaz is available. But first make a rule that every document which comes in front of my eyes, I will digitize it there and then. Secondly, don't store it in a hard disk. Get a Dropbox account. Get some Google Drive somewhere and just create nice simple folders. Don't go into crazy technology. We have to do something. You can organize it by client. You can organize it by year. You can organize it by type of case. Simplify the folders. But the thought is, even if you are on vacation in Goa, you say, my entire office walks with me in my pocket. Whatever I know, if a client needs a case order, sir, I'll send it in 5 seconds. Instead of saying, no, sir, our Munshi will photocopy, you can pick it at India Gate red light. He comes to the High Court at 5:30. He's free. You call him, he will come outside gate number 7. I have gone through this. You call him, he will come running, sir. Okay, I will. So that is one part. The other part is start using some calendaring system beyond Google Calendar. So this is a lawyer friend sent it to me also. It's a black, he said it was very nice gift. I still haven't used it. I don't know what to do with it. It's a copy. Yeah, very nice diary. I haven't used one in years because I'm digital. But the thing is, if I steal your little lawyer diary physically, you won't have much of a practice left. So the problem is, ensure that you've got any calendar app which reminds you to even remind your clients. Half the time in my personal cases, I am calling the lawyer ki sir meri kal data aapko yaad hai. And then they will act like they remember. Oh yes, of course, yes, I remember. No, you don't. Because the client is anyway aggravated and worried. For you, it's just another case. But if I got an SMS or an email before the previous day from you, I would believe this law firm or this lawyer is on top of my case. It is money well spent. Most of the time, we are chasing lawyers because they've got too many things to do, many clients to service. But as Shashank said, you can service many people at the same time through automation. You set up reminders. No, next date is 20th of September. Remind me on 18th and remind client also on 19th.
Yeah.
And we do this right for birthdays and all. We already put in entire year birthday list, send happy birthday from my side. We can do it for personally. We can do it for professionally also. And many other small such hacks can happen.